90% of SaaS websites fail to convert visitors into signups. Are you one of them? If you just nodded yes, then this video is for you. You are driving a traffic. People visit your website, but they don't sign up. They don't book a demo. They don't even click your CTA. It's not because your product is bad. It's not because your pricing is wrong. It's because something on your site quietly killing conversions and you cannot see it. That's why in this video, I am showing you 5 free tools that reveal exactly where users drop off and how to fix it without hiring an agency or rebuilding your site. I am Altaf, Webflow expert and CRO partner for SaaS companies. Let's fix your funnel. Alright, let's start with first tool I recommend to every SaaS team I work with. Microsoft Clarity. Let's say your SaaS landing page gets around 10,000 visitors a month, but only a few people saw sign up. You check your Google Analytics, the bounce rate is high and conversions are low, but you are not sure why that's happening. That's where Microsoft Clarity comes in. It's free too. That does not just show numbers, it shows what people actually do on your website. You can watch your recordings and see where they scroll, click, or leave. For example, one of the SaaS clients had their demo button way down the page, but after using Clarity, we saw that 80% of users never even scrolled that far. So we moved the button higher, made the messages clear, and added a sticky button. That one message increased their demo bookings by 22% in just 1 week. So if you are only checking basic analytics, you are missing what really matters. Clarity helps you spot where they are getting stuck so you can fix it fast and get more signups without guessing. Just add it to your website, let it run for a few days, and you will find things you never expected. Link in the description and let me know what you think in the comments. Now Microsoft Clarity shows you what users are doing on your website, but it does not tell you why they are not signed up. That's where Hotjar helps. Honestly, it's a super helpful tool and not many people talk about it. You know that moment when you are looking at your analytics like, okay, people are visiting, so why are not they sign up? Hotjar helps you get the answer straight from the users. It's really simple. You create a free Hotjar account, add a small code to your website, and ask one question. What stopped you from signing up today? That's it. Let it run for a few days, then read the answers. You will see things like the pricing is confusing. I did not understand what your product does, or it looked too complicated. One of my SaaS clients did this, and in just 3 days, they got 12 replies. Most of the people said the pricing was not clear. So we fixed it, added a better copy and a simple pricing chart, and trial signups went up by 19%. And it's not just us. Hotjar has a full library of real case studies. SaaS companies like Spot a Home used it to fix drop-offs during sign-up, and Razorpay used Hotjar to improve its business products too. These are the real results, not just small tweaks. So if you are still guessing why users don't convert, stop guessing, just ask them. Hotjar makes it easy, and the free plan is more than enough to start. Link in the description, go and give it a try. Now tool number 3 is about testing what works on your website. It's called A/B testing. This means you show 2 versions of your page to visitors, see which one works better. You don't need anything fancy, just try testing one small thing like 2 different headlines, 2 different buttons, a short sign up form versus a long one. The tool I like is called VWO. They have a free plan and it's very easy to use. You connect your website, make a version A and version B, and VWO sends visitors to both. After a few days, it shows which version got more clicks or signups. I did this with a SaaS client. We tested a short sign up form and a long one. The short one got twice as many signups. If you use a Webflow or Framer, you can even do A/B testing without extra tools. Just copy the section and show one version to some users and other version to rest. But here's the thing, a lot of SaaS teams run into the same problem. Pages load slow, signups drop, and no one has time to fix little issues because the team is busy building the product. That's where we come. We are Webflow premium partners and Framer experts. We help SaaS companies keep their site fast, clean, and converting without hiring 4 different freelancers. If this sounds helpful, book a free strategy call, link in the bio. So back into the topic. Don't guess what works. Let the data tells you. Test one thing, one headline, one button, one layout. Link in the description and let me know what you think in the comment. Now tool number 4. It's quick win. It's totally free. It's called Website Grader by HubSpot. Think of it like a health check for your SaaS website. You just type in your website address, press enter, and in seconds you get a score out of 100. So what does it check? It looks at 4 simple things. Number 1, how fast your site loads. If it takes more than than 3 seconds, most visitors sleep. Number 2, how well your website works on phones and tablets. Number 3, if Google can find and show your pages. And number 4, if your site is safe and secure, like having SSL. Now, why does this matter for your SaaS? Because if your site is slow, clunky and mobile, or not secure, people leave before they even see your product. You might have the best SaaS tool in the world, but if your website is hard to use, you lose signups and money. We actually use tools like Website Grader when we audit SaaS website for our clients, because it gives us clear picture of what's slowing the site down, what's missing for SEO, and what's need to fixing first. That's why we are not just guessing. We know exactly what to change, make the site faster, smoother, and ready to convert more users. And right now we are offering a free website audit for SaaS companies, but only for a short time. If you are interested, just drop your website link in the comments and we will check your website and send you easy and actionable fixes. So before you spend another dollar on ads or redesigns, run this free test. And if you want the full picture without the guesswork, comment your site below. It's free, it's simple, and it might be a backup call your SaaS website needs. And the last tool might be the most underrated one, because it's all about listening to your users. It's called Feedback Fish. Here's how it works. You copy one line of code, paste it on your website, and boom, a small widget shows up the page. Then you can ask simple things like, was it page helpful, or what's stopping you from signing up? Users answer right there, and that feedback goes straight to your inbox. According to a study by Microsoft, 77% of consumers view brands more favorably when they actively collect and act on feedback. That's 3 out of 4 visitors who feel like you actually care, just by asking one question. And that the best part, you will find the problems you did not even know were there. It's 5 people all say your pricing page is confusing. You just found gold. Fix that, you might see sign up 10, 20, or even 30%. And if you want to go even further, there's another tool called Useful. It's free to start. Add that script, you can create your product tools, onboarding tips, and little service. Companies using Useful have boosted activation by up to 161% because new users don't feel lost, they are guided. So whether it's Feedback Fish for quick fixes or Useful for help new users, both are light, easy to set up, and won't slow your website. And the feedback you get, that's what turns an okay website into one that converts. You can find the links in the description. So there you have it. 5 free tools that will literally show you what's broken, why users not sign up, and how to fix it without spending $1 or a CRO agency or a big redesign. Microsoft Clarity shows you what users are doing on your website. Hotjar tells you why they are not sign up. VWO lets you test what really works. Website Grader shows you what's slowing your site down. And Feedback Fish and Useful help you listen to users and guide them through your product. But here's the thing, you don't need to fix everything at once. Start small, pick one tool, test it for a week, and you will see where people stop signing up. But if you want to the full picture, what to fix first, how to make your website faster, and how to turn into sign up missing, I am doing the free website audit of our SaaS companies right now. Just drop your site link in the comments or you book a free call using the link in the description. I will send you the simple list of fixes that can boost your signups fast. I am Altaf, Webflow expert and CRO partner for SaaS companies. Over the last few years, I have helped SaaS brands increase signups by up to 40%, sometimes just by making a few small but smart changes. I had love to help you turn those clicks into customers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.